What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one on Tech Buff. So today is a good day because I am so excited. And I tell you what, literally, I've been so excited ever since the Galaxy Unpacked was revealed. Literally, I watched that thing live, and oh my god, I've never ever been so excited in my life. I've never ever been, like I said, so excited in my life to watch something so amazing. It was literally so amazing. But yeah, anyway, the Galaxy Unpacked was obviously on the 5th of August 2020, and yeah, we're in August right now, and it literally was a few days back. And man, oh boy, I was so excited. Literally, everything the new products that they lined that they said to us was coming out, like the functionality, what it does, like mate, it was so damn impressive. Like all the products, like the Note series, the Flip, no, the Fold, and then the Watch, and then what else? What else was it? The AirBuds as well. Oh my god, the AirBud Lives. Did you see that thing? Did you see that thing? It does not even look like any of the Galaxy Bud they make these days. Wow, it's like it looks like a beam. Literally looks like a beam from literally like from another galaxy. It looks so awesome. But yeah, anyway, today I'm gonna be telling you 7 reasons why you should pre-order the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Anyway, before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to the video and also put on your notification bell so you can be told and reminded when I upload a video. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Anyway, so 7 reasons why you should pre-order the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Anyway, number 1, the design. Wow. When I saw the design, the renders on the Unpacked, I was like, wow. Literally so futuristic, yeah, that it came out from another planet. Just like the earbuds came, the freaking Note 20 series and the Note 20 Ultra series came out from another planet, another universe. The design is so slick, yeah, that it's literally so slick. It's slick like paper. Literally slick like paper. It's so smooth, yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. First impressions, absolutely amazing. Literally, my jaw was dropped. Literally, so damn good. Anyway, design for the Note 20 is going to have a plastic back. So the color, well, at the moment, I've seen the color, what's it called? The bronze, the Mystic Bronze, they call it. That phone particularly is actually a plastic back. So the rear of the of the device is going to be plastic. Don't know why they haven't used gloss for it, but I mean, I don't know, trying to keep the cost down so it's more cheaper than the Ultra, the premium one of the range, whatever you want to call it. Maybe that's why they've done it with a plastic back. But honestly, the plastic back still looks absolutely amazing. And then we shipped over to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which has a beautiful glass finish at the back, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful device. So front and back is glass, and that brings me on to the colors of these actual device. Oh my god, absolutely amazing. And there's one color that I literally cannot wait to pick up when these phones actually arrive, because I will be pre-ordering this, so I cannot wait. So right now, the colors, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to be calling, the colors that are going to be coming in will be the Mystic Green. That is what I'm so excited to get. And obviously, I saw the color of it when I was watching the Galaxy Unpacked, and oh my god, it looks absolutely fresh. I don't know if it's the pictures or the video that was doing it justice, but when it comes to live, I hope I still feel about the same way about the phone like I did when I watched the Galaxy Unpacked. Anyway, so it's gonna come in the mixed Mystic Green, then the Mystic Bronze, and then the Mystic Grey. All that, I think, if they're gonna be using plastic back for the Mystic Bronze for the S20, I feel like they're gonna be using it for every single of the color. But I'm not too sure. We have to see. But yeah, anyway, I can't wait. I'm very excited for the Mystic Green. Anyway, now jumping onto the S20 Ultra, we're going to be getting a Mystic Bronze, which will be glass, so it's gonna be sweet. It's got like a more of a glossier look, and the S20 bronze is like a matte look because obviously they've used plastic for the back. Anyway, the Ultra is gonna have the Mystic bronze, Mystic white, and also Mystic black as well. So yeah, those colors I cannot wait to see as well. I am so excited because in the Unpacked we only ever got to see the Mystic bronze and the Mystic bronze for the Ultra. So we had the matte look and the gloss look from the Ultra. Anyway, right, we're gonna push it all the way onto the screen ratio. So the Note 20 is gonna be coming in at 6.7 inches, and the Note 20 is gonna be coming in at 6.9 inches. So you're gonna still be getting that kind of phablet factor as well, like a big phone you can write on or whatever like that. And as far as I know, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 6.7 inches is exactly the same size as the Ultra. So yeah, it's not really. I mean, it's still a big phone, but to be able to get that feel of the phablet factor, you have to go for the Ultra because it's got a 6.9-inch display. Anyway, these displays are going to be Full HD Super AMOLED as well, so they're going to be crisp, and it's just going to look so amazing and so nice to the eyes to look at. So yeah, it's going to be awesome. Anyway, we're going to push in straight on to the battery life. So the Note 20 is going to have a 4,300 milliamp hour battery, and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is going to be having a 4,500 milliamp battery there. So 200 milliamp hour battery difference with the S20 and the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. So yeah, should be a decent amount of power life there as well. And also there's this design or something like that is gonna be that the phone's gonna have that's gonna make it more power saving efficient or something like that. So yeah, that's gonna be nice to know. And yeah, hopefully the phone lasts us for literally all day. Anyway, pushing straight on to the camera. The camera is gonna be so amazing. And for me, coming from the S20 Ultra and also obviously seeing the Note series they've been bringing out along the years, this one is gonna be absolutely amazing. It's literally it's gonna be like a phone that you can literally rock in your pocket and feel like, you know what, I have a phone instead of a phablet. Anyway, the camera on the Note 20 is the main camera on the Note 20 is gonna be 64 megapixel. That's gonna be the main camera, and then you're gonna have the 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then as well we're gonna have a 12 megapixel zoom camera as well. So when you do your long zoom and your short zoom or whatever, you're still gonna be locked onto that 12 megapixel camera. Which brings me on to a good point here. The zoom camera is gonna have a 30x zoom to it, so you can literally go as far as you want without no problem. Bearing in mind that some of the details my goal when you take the picture or you're making a video, but obviously that's what you have to, you know, consider when going for that 30x time zoom. Anyway, pushing it on. Actually, before I push on to the Note 20 Ultra, the Note 20 is also going to be having a 10 megapixel selfie camera as well. So when you're taking that selfie, your picture should look absolutely crisp. And also coming from Samsung, Samsung has been making the best Samsung has been making the best camera since the freaking Samsung Galaxy S3. I came from the Samsung Galaxy S3 and I've been traveling down every single of the devices, and boy oh boy, that S3 was absolutely amazing. The camera quality was just beautiful. Anyway, jumping right over to the Note 20 Ultra. The Note 20 Ultra is going to be having, wait for it, 108 megapixel main camera. Wow! They're bringing the design from the S20 Ultra to the Note. Like, that is just absolutely mind-boggling. Like, who would have ever thought? Like I said to you, the later series of the Note literally hasn't come and even competed with the S series. And wow, this Note 20 Ultra, wow, people are going to be comparing it with the Note, with the S8 Plus, especially not S8. No, I mean not S8, S20 Ultra, especially that camera module there. People are definitely going to be definitely putting those phones side by side, and that's not what you see very often in the Note series, which is gonna be so freaking amazing. Anyway, yeah, that's gonna, like I said, it's gonna have a 108 megapixel main camera, and then it's gonna have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 12 megapixel zoom camera as well. And the best thing about this, the ultra, is gonna have a 50 times zoom as well, which is gonna be cool. So you can go even more further than the Note 20, which is gonna be pretty damn cool. And again, seeing exactly the same design with the S20, is gonna have that 10 megapixel selfie camera as well to give you that nice and crisp and sharp and beautiful look to your picture when you're either taking a video or taking a video, which is gonna be pretty damn cool. Anyway, so the main thing about this camera is gonna have a pro video mode, and wow, it's gonna be amazing. For you guys that don't know what pro video mode means, it means when you, it's like when I use my DSLR camera, I try and shoot as raw as I can. So with this video pro mode, you can literally use it as a DSLR camera, and you can manually pick whatever you want, the ISO, the aperture, and all that stuff, which is going to be so damn cool, because the S20 Ultra doesn't actually have that. I would like that feature, because the camera on the S20 Ultra is absolutely impeccable with a few minor tweaks, so don't think it's all perfect. But yeah, it's nice to be able to have that feature on the Note 20 Ultra, and also the phone is big enough, so it's gonna be nice to be able to use that manual feature on the Note 20 Ultra, which is gonna be pretty damn cool. Anyway, it's gonna have a window link. This means obviously when with your Windows computer, you can be able to link it to the with the Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20 obviously as well. So it's like so it can sync, it can sync through between, you know, your PC and obviously the phones as well. So you can access what's on your PC on your phone. I think that's how it works, not too sure. Anyway, now we're gonna come to the big moment of this video, the pricing. Wow, boy oh boy, the pricing is good. It is good. If you've got the money to spend, I say go ahead and buy this phone. So the Note 20 is gonna start from 849, so £849, and it's gonna be for the 256 gig storage as well. And 256 gig, wow, who even uses all that 256 gig of storage? No one does. So that's going to be a lot of storage there for you guys to use if you're a big phone user, or you like to store a lot of things on your device. And then now the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra as well is going to start from 1179, so £1,179, and going all the way up to £1,279. And also again, it depends on what storage you go for. So if you want cheaper, you get the 256 gig, and if you want more storage, then you have to pay expensive, and the storage for that is 512 gigabytes of storage, which yeah, is gonna be a lot of storage. Unless you like to store a lot of things on your phone, then go for the more expensive option and go for the 512 gigabytes. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm so excited. I can't literally wait to have these devices in my hands so I can mess around with them and unbox them for you guys. I'm excited. The Fold 2, well, the Z Fold 2, oh my God, wow, boy oh boy, that phone is going to be absolutely amazing. Anyway, those are your 7 reasons why you should not even think about it. You should straight away, right away, pre-order the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Anyway guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I said to you guys, subscribe, like the video, comment down below, tell me if you like the video, and also yeah, share it with your friends. You never know. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.